Hi everyone, this is Dr. Praveen S. Patil here. So today I am going to talk on fistula nano and Ayurvedic perspective. So in the previous videos I have told the Parkes classification of fistula. So today I am going to deal with the fistula nano, particularly as explained in Ayurveda. As I told in many of the videos, so Ayurveda is an ancient Indian health science. So it was written about 5000 years back. Here, the Bhagandhara is having two words. One is Bhaga and another one is Dharana. So Bhaga is the area, that is perineal area. So that is Guha Mushka Madhyasthanam Bhagha. The area which is between the scrotum and the anus is called as Bhaga Pradesha. And Dharayati Nashayati iti, the one which destroy the structure, this is called as Dharana. So totally Bhagandhara, the word meaning of Bhagandhara is the lesion which is destroying the tissues which are present in the Bhaga Pradesha, that is called as Bhagandhara. So Ayurveda Sushruta has explained there are 5 different types of Bhagandhara. So here Bhagandhara means fistula in ano. So one is Shataponaka. What you are seeing in the diagram, one is the cross section of the inner rectal region and another one is the water can. Why? The word meaning of Shataponaka, Shata means 100, Ponaka means openings. So it's not merely 100 openings. So multiple openings are called as the Shataponaka kind of Bhagandhara. So he says as that of the pores of the water can. So in the same way, there will be multiple pores are seen on the perianal region. So probably the fistula is of this kind. So like this. So cryptoglandular infection having a multiple opening on the near to the anus. So it looks like a mouth of the water can or side of the water can. So this kind of Bhagandhara are addressed as Shataponaka Bhagandhara. Next comes Ushtragriva. Ostra means the camel and Greva means the neck. Grivasthana, that is the fistula having this kind of curvature. So we can say it could be an intersphincteric, not mandatory, but maybe. So this kind of fistula is the one which is having 2 openings. One is on the pectinate line, another one on the skin. So this kind of opening, that is Ushtragriva. So same as that of the Ostragriva. So as that of the neck of the camel, the track is having the shape of that, then we call it as the Ostragriva. Next one is Shambhokavarta. The fistula tract is having a circular kind of structure as that of the snail shell. So here we get a different meanings also, like the fistula or the swelling having as that of the Gosthana or Padangusta. So that reference also we will get, but it's more towards the snail shell. So once the infection will be there, means once the infection of the cryptoglandular infection takes place, then what happens, it moves in the either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction and opens into another end. So this kind of fistula, we can say it as the Shambhukavarta kind of fistula. And next comes Unmargi Bhagandara, that is a Bhagandara which takes place because of the foreign body. So that kind of fistula comes under the Unmargi Bhagandara. And one more Bhagandara comes, that is Parisravi Bhagandara. There the course of the track is not explained, but the nature of the ooze is explained. So which is having the more oozing, more secretion from the track, and where the surrounding tissue is inflamed. So those kind of fistula Bhagandara comes in the Parisravi Bhagandara. So Shataponaka, Ustragriva, Parisravi, Shambhukavarta and Unmargi. These are the 5 Bhagandara which are told by the Sushruta. And Vagbhata has added Parikshepi, another Bhagandara. So Parikshepi means, so as that of the trench around the fort. So just we can say it's a horseshoe kind of fistula. So as the trench around the fort, in the same way there will be a fistula in the either it could be on the 11 o'clock position, 12 o'clock position or 6 o'clock position. So or else it may be circumferential. So those kind of Bhagandara comes as the Parikshepi Bhagandara. And another classification comes as that of the Arsho Bhagandara, means when the fistula is accompanied along with the Arsha, that is piles, then it is called as the Arsho Bhagandara. And next one is Riju Bhagandara. He says, so it will be straight and short. So it could be, as per the Goodsall's rule, it may be in the external opening is not more than the 3.75 cm from the anal verge, and may be on the anterior side. So those kind of fistula comes under the Riju Bhagandara. Arvachina and Parachina. Arvachina means blind external. Arvachina means here the infection is there, had spread but has no external opening, but it has the internal opening. So this is called as Arvachina. And another one is, this is called as blind external. And sometimes even the fistula may be there, but internal opening has got closed and the track will be present with the external opening. So those kind of fistula are called as Parachina. Blind internal. So this is about the classification of Bhagandara. So when we look into the treatment of Bhagandara, Sushruta has advised different kinds of incision, especially for the Shataponaka and Parisravi Bhagandara. So Sushruta has explained the different kinds of incision for Shataponaka kind of Bhagandara. One is Langali, Ardhalangali, Gotirtaka and Sarvatobhadraka. Langali means a incision having a 2 arm, means arms. So this kind of incision comes under the Langali. Ardhalangali means incision having 1 arm, like it may be like this, or it may be like this, or it may be like this. So incision having only one arm comes under the Ardha Langali, and Langali, so having two arms, means arms for the incision. This is the incision and this is the arm. So the intention of here is join these fistulae openings. Internal opening usually it will be one only. So join with the single means these kind of incisions and make the track one track. Afterwards we can treat as a single fistula. I think this is the idea behind explaining these kind of incision. In case of Gotirtaka, incision should be such a way that after placing the incision, it should look like hoof of the cow. So means once you open it off, so once you open it in a semicircular manner, then the opened of wound looks like the hoof of the cow. Sarvato Bhadraka. Here the Sarvato Bhadraka means you have to open if it is anal opening, so you have to open on the either side Sarvato Bhadraka, leaving the rape intact. So this is another incision which is told by the Sushruta. So there are four kind of incisions are told. One is Langalaka, Ardha Langalaka, Gotirtaka and Sarvatobhadra for Shataponaka kind of fistula. And as I told, Parisavi, only the Srava, that is secretion, based on that it has classified. And he has told another four kind of incisions like Karjura Patraka. Karjura Patraka means a weak kind of incision. That is how the date palm leaves looks. Karjura Patraka, weak kind of incision. And Ardha Chandrakara. Chandra means moon here. Ardha Chandrakara means half moon shape incisions. Chandrakara as a full moon incisions. Suchimukha, that is the cone shape incision where the tip are facing towards the anal verge. So if you assume this is the anal verge, so it's a cone shape incision towards the cone is facing towards the anus. So this is called as Suchimukha. And Avangamukha, that is the reverse. So here, so cone is shape incision where the tip is facing away from the anal verge. So this is Suchimukha, this is and Avangamukha. So these are the incisions what the Sushruta has explained. And for rest of the fistula, so we have to decide what kind of incision is needed, and we have to do the Chedana Karma. Sushruta in his 17th chapter of Chikitsasana, he has told that Bhagandare Appesha Vidihi Karya Vaidyena Janata means we have to administer the Ksharasutra, particularly in reference to the Ksharasutra he has told this. So in case of Bhagandara, we can apply the Ksharasutra. What is the Ksharasutra, what are its properties and all, I have discussed in some other videos. So if you want, you can get the link in the description. So this is how the Ayurveda has understood the fistula and ano, and they have designed the incision. So this thing I have covered in brief. So if you like this video, then kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and if you have any doubts or any suggestion, please write in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.